it's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. Yes, honey. So in this video, I am bringing you a wig, another one from wigYY. Yes. So this is in collaboration with them. I'm so happy and grateful that they reached out to your girl. I was like, yes, of course. So you know I had to go in with this unit. I picked this color out and I absolutely love it. It's like this ash blonde and it's gorgeous. Now this is a synthetic unit, but you can apply heat, low heat, not high heat, low heat. Now I do like the fact that it has two combs on the side. You have an ample amount of parting space down there, down the center. I think it's about 5, inches maybe. And then you've got the two clasps in the back so you can, put it to big head or small head friendly. So right there, I'm just showing you the front of the unit. It's absolutely adorable. Now the lace on here was kind of hard. It isn't that soft lace. It was a little rough. It wasn't like rough, but it was a little rough. So, your girl had to just try it on and see what it was looking like before I actually glued this thing down. So yes, honey, we are gonna glue this down. And I was like, oh boy, because 13 by 6 or whatever the closure is, it's ear to ear lace. Let's just say that, because I don't want to give y'all the wrong numbers and stuff like that, but it's definitely ear to ear lace. I'm more of a 4x4, 5x5 closure, which is just in the front because it's quick and easy and super simple. So right here, we're just gonna go ahead and get started, but I did want to show you the wave pattern, how it looks on without it being on. So just keep watching and we're gonna get right into that. So fam, of course, your girl has to cut the lace off. And what I literally did was just cut as close as possible because I don't really like excess lace. But I will say one thing I realized, if you want a good melt, I think that you should leave some lace because that's what's going to melt into your skin. Now, I didn't have a problem with melting the little pieces that I left out. My problem came with the glue. So you're gonna see that in a minute. But this wig is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Like, the curls is good. There was a minimal shedding, and I absolutely love it. You guys comment down below and let me know, what do you use, like what do you use for gluing your unit down, or how do you like to cut your lace off of your wig, or just let me know, like, what's your favorite color wig, or what wigs would you like me to do next or whatever. But this is so nice, y'all. I can't get over the color. Like, the color is fire. So here we go, y'all. So right here, we're using the Kiss bonding glue. It's like extreme hold or whatever. Now in the front, it held really well. I think what happened is on the sides, I didn't put as much because I don't want my edges ripped out. Okay, honey? We trying to hold on to edges. This is the keep the edges gang over here. Okay. So that's why I kind of put a little bit on the side, and the sides didn't want to stick down too well. But the top, honey, I got the top secured. Okay. The top of this unit ain't going nowhere. All right, sis. But yes, honey, I went in with one layer, and then you're gonna see me blow dry that real quick. And then after that, I went in with a second layer because I was like, okay, let me make sure I get a really good hold, It was already tacky, like it was already tacky. And just in case you guys are wondering what heat setting I used, I actually didn't use heat. I used cold setting, and the cold setting worked really good. It dried it up. When it's dry, you'll know because it's clear. And so I did kind of leave a little bit of it white. I think that was more because I was in such a rush to get this wig on because it's just so beautiful. But like I said, guys, all the links will be down below. The links for the glue, because this glue really holds, like it really holds. And of course, the unit, because that's what we're here for. That's what we're talking about, honey. Okay. So your girl didn't leave out any edges this time. I should have left out some edges for myself. But I was like, no, let's just do this. No baby hairs. Let's see what it's looking like, So stay tuned. Keep watching. This is just a repetitive motion, but keep watching. It all turns out in the end. So yes, I had to put my makeup on because the girl was looking a little cray cray, and I absolutely love this unit. It turned out flawless. I am so here for that. Like, as you can tell, what I did was on the side, I just used some Got To Be spray to hold that side down because, like I said, honey, we're in the keep the edges game over here, okay? We ain't trying to lose none, and I'd rather use spray rather than glue on my edges, so that's what I did, and it turned out phenomenal, y'all. But of course, if you like baby hairs, you can go ahead and do baby hairs, and once again, the links will be down below in the description box for this unit. It's super affordable, super cute. Like, I absolutely love it, and I just like to leave a little hair out, like kind of like a fairy look or a little pixie look or something. I don't know what you call it, but it's giving fairy vibes. So I absolutely love this, guys, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.